Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be working on getting over small obstacles that I sometimes come across on the trails. So the last day I was out, I went over a small enough tree and I didn't use any technique. So because I didn't pull in the clutch, I got the front wheel over no problem. But when the back wheel came, it just slid along the side. And when it eventually did hop over, it pushed me into a ditch. I have some logs and stuff that I'm going to be working on. Initially, I'm just going to be trying to get it so that the back wheel doesn't spin when I go over. It's pretty easy to get the front wheel over, but getting the back wheel without spinning is something I need to work on. So I'm going to be doing that, and then hopefully I will be able to go over bigger objects as the day progresses, and I will also be able to get the back wheel over before the front wheel comes down. At least that's the plan, so we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so these things don't look very impressive, I'm sure, on camera, but they can make a huge difference when you're on a trail. You don't have to get off and inspect things. You don't have to pick awkward routes to get around obstacles. You can just go over them. And if you get these fundamentals down, then you're then able to progress on to the bigger stuff, which just opens up a whole other area that you can ride the bike on. I still got a little bit of practice to do. I'd say about 50% of the time I'm getting it right. So I'm going to continue practicing on the smaller stuff, and then hopefully I'll be able to work up to the bigger stuff when I'm more confident with this.